got the harmonica out this time.
Let's go.
Today we're installing kitchen countertops in Belfast, New York.
That looks good, yeah.
First thing we want to do in these installs is we want to make sure the sink fits in the sink base of the cabinet. No, not quite. Oh, we're not going to have fun with that.
So we figured it out. We expanded the sink base here. I'm using the granite lifter for this video to demonstrate how nice it is. Gives you a good handle.
We got to cut out the back of the cabinet so the faucet can fit in.
I'm not even breaking a sweat. The fan is lifting this countertop board, basically.
Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. I'm here with our good friend and customer, Bob. What do you think of your new countertops, Bob?
We put tile in 7 years ago just to get by with, and this is a big upgrade.
Awesome. Hey, look, thank you. Appreciate the business.
AKA